Welcome to B9Captivate, our material development software suite. B9Captivate is a software suite for the B9 Core series that offers advanced capabilities for custom material development. This material development toolkit helps you optimize for the chemistry of your materials and the geometry of your part, so you can develop settings perfectly engineered for your application. Before we start, it's helpful to know that B9Captivate has 3 tiers to suit a variety of customer needs, from a research lab to a small business, chemical company, or global enterprise. Users have the flexibility to upgrade as they grow, and the confidence to know that the product will scale with them. Paired with B9 Core Series 3D printers, B9Captivate allows users to develop custom 3D printer materials, fine-tune third-party resins, or even tweak B9 Creations resins to better suit their needs. In fact, this software suite is the one we use to develop our own new materials. The first level here is B9Captivate Basic, which is included for free in every download of our B9 Create software, which is where you support and orient your parts before printing them on the B9 Core series. This tier allows users to change their material name, color, exposure, and slice thickness. The second tier, and the one this video will focus on, is B9Captivate Professional. This tier offers additional fields, including naming, version optimization, and mechanical cycle settings that control the way the machine moves when it prints. The third tier is B9Captivate Enterprise. This offers all the functionality of the professional license plus customizable packages that offer dimensional fine-tuning, third-party distribution for material commercialization or to field locations, multiple user license, and material development support, testing, and validation from the factory. These last 2 tiers, Professional and Enterprise, are paid subscriptions, and you must have a license key to use them. Now, to B9Captivate Professional. See our Getting Started section right under the Welcome menu, our Materials Development tab, which we'll return to in a minute, your settings, where you can see your license key, account information, software subscription, service level, basic, professional, or enterprise, as well as enter your B9 Core Series printer IP to connect to your printer. Finally, you can see our feedback section, where you can submit feedback about your experience with B9Captivate, or if you are experiencing any issues, please enter a message here, and our support team will get back to you shortly. Now back to our materials section. To create a new material, you simply hit the New button. The best part about this professional tier is you don't have to be a chemist to get your material optimized. B9Captivate comes with a comprehensive Help Center database with values and their definitions. It also has minimum and maximum values that prevent settings that could damage your printer. Finally, it autofills any values you leave blank with default values of a standard prototyping resin. The only value you must enter is exposure. There are 3 major sections of material settings with different values you may tweak under each: material, quality, and cycle settings. We recommend going in that order in order to get the best results. The material section allows you to choose the name, description, color of your material, and offers version control and optimization. The quality section controls the desired thickness and exposure values associated with them. In essence, these fields determine how the material cures. Exposure has a drastic effect on some fields, such as X, Y, and Z bleed, and so they are included in this section. Cycle settings control the movement of the mechanical arm while printing. These settings substantially affect the speed and success of your prints. These include values such as the distance the build table raises, how fast the build table raises, and the time the build table waits before releasing. B9Captivate offers flexible payment options that fit your needs. Our developer license, which allows you to develop your custom materials, can be paid monthly, quarterly, or annually. After you have finished developing your materials, you can switch licenses to our annual production license, which allows you to continue printing with those materials on your B9 course series. We wanted to share with you one of our use cases for our B9Captivate software. This is from Tom Burns, who is a model maker. B9Captivate really makes the B9 Core 530 invaluable to us. Due to the level of intricate details involved in our prints, there is no available off-the-shelf resin at present that can produce the parts needed for our business. This software has now closed that gap. Pairing the B9 Core 530 with B9Captivate has allowed us to not just match, but actually improve on the already high-quality prints from other 3D printers we've owned in the past. Plus, the B9Captivate user interface is straightforward, clean, and intuitive once you understand how the material files work. Want a more in-depth look at how B9Captivate could suit your organization's needs? Book time with a representative today.